everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be doing a full review of my medium green classic flap.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask that you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, I cannot believe that I have made a review on every single one of my handbags so far. I made a review on my black classic flap, on every other handbag except for this one. When I was going through my channel, I was like, have I not made a dedicated review on my green classic flap? Because I've done like comparisons between like the small and the medium. I've shown the medium in plenty of videos, but I just realized that I had never done a dedicated full video review on my medium green Chanel classic flap. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you're new here, and if you have not seen this bag, here is what she looks like. She is a beautiful, beautiful specimen, and I love her so, so much. She is vintage, and I do believe she might be like a 4 series or something. She was born in like 1995 or 94 to 96, I forget. But she has beautiful silver hardware. I normally prefer gold hardware, but I still like the silver, it's fine. There's the back. She is in this beautiful lambskin, as you can see. I really love the lambskin look over the caviar. I just think lambskin looks so, so nice. And she is, again, vintage, so she is a bit old. She has the beautiful turn lock. And on the inside, she looks like that. She is a double flap bag, as you can see, and she has a organizer inside of her as well. And I do have a small classic flap and this medium classic flap. So I wanted to just kind of go through this medium one and tell you a review specifically on this one and not really talk about my small one. I got this bag from a company called Luxury Promise, and I got it for a pretty good price. I mean, like, it's a medium classic flap in this beautiful green. It's like Tiffany blue, but I think it's more of a green than a blue, but I still love this color very much. It is a discontinued color, so you cannot find this color anymore. So I do feel like this one is kind of like very special to me, and it's very hard to find, so I do love it for that. When it comes to the pricing on this, I can't really say too much because I didn't pay full price for these. I don't think that I'd pay full price for a new classic flap at this point. So I did pay about like more than half off what a regular medium classic flap would be. So I can't really talk about the price. The medium is about 10 inches across and it is 6 inches high. So compared to the small classic flap, which I believe is like 8 across and 5 high or something like that, it does have a little bit of wideness. It is a little bit more wide than the small. So as you probably can imagine in the very beginning, is that it would fit more than the small classic flap. And I will say that is one of the biggest pros to this bag, that it fits more stuff. So same with the small classic flap, it has a double strap. Let me pull her out. You can wear her the same way as you would a small classic flap, over the shoulder like this. You can put one of these straps down and wear it as like a long shoulder bag, and you can also wear it as a crossbody. I wear my Chanel's as a crossbody pretty often. I normally wear my small one as a crossbody more than this one because it is a little larger. So I normally wear this one as like a shoulder bag or as a long shoulder bag. So, but still same situation, just a little bit bigger. She is quite a light color, as you can see. I mean, it is a bit of a darker green. It's not like pastel or anything, but it's also not like a forest green or anything. Like, she's kind of light. I feel like I look like a watermelon with this outfit. I should have wore this bag today. I wore my black one today, but this one would have looked really cute as well. Anyways, I will say I do much prefer the gold hardware to the silver hardware. I don't know, I'm just like a gold person. I like gold things, gold hardware, gold stuff, but You know what? I do think that this one does look a little bit more casual than my black bag. My black one, black and gold, it looks quite fancy. This one is a little more fun, a little more flirty, kind of more casual because of the silver hardware, and it has this pretty fun green color. So I've got one of each now, so I don't mind. I will say the upkeep on this bag has been a little more difficult compared to my small one because of the color that it is. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. Yeah, can you see that right there? It's kind of cracked and just a little old, if you can see that. That is one thing I have had to deal with when it comes to this bag. I do have to condition it regularly. It's definitely not a bag that does not show wear and tear. This one, it does show wear and tear a little bit more than I would love it to, but it's not too bad. I mean, this bag is over 20 years old. It still does look in really, really good condition. I just wish that, you know, the person before me took a little bit better care of it. They look like they had it sat in the sun for like a long period of time, and they let the sides kind of come out and lose its shape, if you can see that. So, but that's not a fault of the bag, that's just a fault of the previous owner. I have not had any issues with color transfer on this bag, like I can't say for my Lady Dior, but I have not had that issue with this bag. Even with it being a more lighter color, it has not had any kind of color transfer. But then again, I really haven't tried to get color transfer on it. I do try to wear this with more lighter colors, and I don't know, I just don't want to risk it. So I have not been super duper adventurous with this bag, as adventurous as I would like to be, but I still do wear her pretty often actually. I like her a lot. I tend to wear her more during the summer than I would the winter time, just because she looks more of like a summer bag to me. Let's kind of talk about what fits inside of her, because comparatively to my small classic flap, which I will leave linked in the eye up here and down below, you'll be able to see what fits in that bag. So here is the inside of my classic flap. I do have a organizer in here, and it really depends. Sometimes I do carry the organizer inside, but I do notice that it takes up a lot of space. So if I'm needing to carry more stuff, I will take the organizer out. If I keep the organizer in, I will put my phone. As you can see, it kind of already takes up a bit of space. And I have my wallet right here. I'll put her inside. I have my key holder, and she just goes inside of there like this. And I have my hand sanitizer. She can just go in like this, and this is probably all I could fit in the bag with the organizer inside. She doesn't look, she does look full, especially on this side, so maybe I wouldn't. Yeah, she does look a little full on this right side. So if I took the hand sanitizer out, yeah, it looks better. It doesn't look as bulgy. And I normally have my phone in my pocket anyways, let's be honest. If I didn't carry my phone with the organizer in, there is my wallet right there, and then my key holder right in the front. I can definitely fit my hand sanitizer in here now because there's more space. My sunglasses, will these fit in here? Yeah, these will all fit in here with the organizer, like that. And there you go. If we take the organizer out, and now she's naked. Okay, so I've got my wallet. Actually, I'm gonna put my phone back in here. I've got my phone, my wallet. I actually end up putting my wallet normally in this little front pouch because the person before me used this front pouch. So I feel like it's fine if I use it because it's already been stretched out. My key holder, hand sanitizer. I've got my sunglasses in there at the bottom, if you can see that. I've got a lipstick that can just kind of go in there. I normally like to take gum with me, so I put the gum in this other section of this little front pocket, just like that. I've got a little travel size fragrance that can fit in there really good. And then, I mean, this is Flonase. I just have this just to show you, and it can just fit right on top there. And then she closes literally just fine. Like this one, the medium size, especially without the insert, like the organizer, really fits a lot. Let's talk about wearability now when it comes to this bag. Now, of course, with the black classic flap, you can wear it with literally any outfit. You can wear it with a colorful outfit. I wore it with this today that I had on. You can wear it with a very neutral outfit. You can wear it dressed up, dressed down. You can literally wear the black classic flap however you want to. This bag I do feel like is more on the casual side because it is a more fun color and it has the silver hardware. Again, it doesn't really matter what you do. I mean, if you want to wear this bag with a very formal outfit, then you should be able to do that. And then I do think that it is more of a summer bag as well. I think it looks very, very great in the spring and summer, especially. Fall and winter, it's a little too bright for that for me personally. And also, I don't feel like you can wear this with as many things. This would look super cute with my outfit today, or something maybe like a white outfit or something that has a little color and you could put this with that color. But I don't think that you can wear this with every single thing like you can the black one. One thing that I would say when it comes to this bag is that just the ability to be able to carry more things is just the biggest pro when it comes to the medium. I feel like I genuinely think that if I were to get any other classic flaps in the future, I would go with a medium. I think that a medium is going to be more bang for your buck. Honestly, I do know that the small ones are just timeless. They're adorable, they're very cute. I do just think that the medium is a little more worth your money because it can fit so much more, especially if you get it pre-loved. All in all, I just think the medium is more worth your time, more worth your money at this point in time right now. The classic flaps come down in price, which would never happen, but if they ever did, I feel like maybe you could get away with getting a small then, but I just think the medium is where it's at. I will continue to get mediums from here on out if I do get another Chanel, but yeah, that's my thoughts on the medium Chanel classic flap. I love her to absolute pieces. I desperately want a white one or something like that, but maybe one day. You guys, that was my review on my green Chanel classic flap. Let me know in the comments if you have any Chanels. Let me know if you have a classic flap, a Diana, Gabrielle, anything like that. Let me know in the comments if you want to get a bag, or let me know what kind of bag that you have your eye on. It doesn't have to be a Chanel, it can be anything, but just leave me a comment telling me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, again, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!